Hello. One of, I think, the most important and meaningful things that I've come to understand studying astronomical psychology or astrology is that we all are truly important, and no one person is more important than another. That we all have incredible gifts, incredible skills that, with time and practice and focus and self awareness, knowing what those skills are, having the encouragement from within, and finding a social environment that also encourages us to continue to develop our natural skills and to take them to new levels. That's it's so important that all of us do that, and that we never give in to the illusion that we are just one human being. How important could we possibly be? Now, of course, it's good to be humble. It's good to not think so highly of one's skills that we get into another illusion of I'm more important than others. But when we give into the illusion of thinking that we're not important or that we can't help the world in so many positive ways, we're doing both ourselves and the world a disservice because we're limiting what we can possibly contribute then. And we're letting our fears of inadequacy or irrelevance bar us from the incredible gifts that we can offer. It doesn't matter if one is introverted or extroverted or more scientifically minded or more uh, linguistically minded or more socially minded. It doesn't matter what your gifts may be. You are important. We are here, as Buckminster Fuller said, we are here on the spaceship Earth. We are all on a planet. We are all of the same species. It doesn't matter what our race, our gender, our language may be. We're all on this planet trying to survive and to thrive in the universe. We all have crucial roles to play. And again, no one is more important than the other because we can't exist as effectively, we can't thrive as effectively without everyone playing their part. To have quality food, to have quality shelter, to have quality instruction, to have quality protection in the form of physical protection, emotional protection, mental protection, and mental thriving, we all are essential. And that's something that's really fascinating, something that's really reassuring, especially when studying your energies and studying other people's energies. You come to understand who you are and who you're not. You come to understand how you fit into the overall picture. And also MBTI, the Myers-Briggs system, helps with this too, to help you understand what you have to offer and what other people have to offer in ways that are different from yours. And that's the beauty of it, is none of us have all of the answers. None of us have all of the skills. As great as a person may be in a particular field or even a variety of fields, there's some things to be said about the power of union, the power of humanity as a whole, or even just on a microcosmic scale, a team, an organization, where different pieces, different people, different skills are coming together to accomplish, hopefully, if the intention is right throughout the organization, great things. So I think that's also another lesson that goes further is we are all important, and it's up to each one of us, for our sake, for our fulfillment, for our contentment, for our happiness, for our abundance, in all the different spheres of life: mental, emotional, physical, financial, spiritual. But it's also important for the macrocosmic, for humanity, that we develop, well, first, that we know who we are. And of course, that is a lifelong process. But at the end of the day, for example, myself as an example, in the MBTI system, am an ENFP. I'm a Gemini. I have Mercury in Gemini. I have Sun in the house of Aquarius, Mercury in the house of Aquarius, Moon in Cancer, rising Leo, a lot of other Leo. I know what I'm good at. I know what I'm terrible at. I'm really good at putting connections together and being able to help other people understand themselves through those connections. And I mean mental connections of this would make a lot of sense for you because of this particular energy or this particular type, or this is where you are right now in life and this is how you should handle it. That's stuff that comes naturally very easily to me, but there's so much that doesn't. So very much, and beginning to list it off it would take hours, if not more. But I know what I'm good at. I know what I care about. I know what I love. I love creating music also. It's a huge part of my life. If you look at my chart, I have so much Leo. That is what I'm supposed to do. I'm supposed to help people and to express myself and to provide thoughts that are helpful. That's my goal. And only I, just like only you on your path, know when I'm on track or when I'm off track and how to get back on track. Sometimes we need some help with that, and that's okay. But follow what you feel is right for you, and know that the importance of you as an individual and your efforts to fulfill yourself, to bring out the best out of yourself, that affects so many, and really, from the biggest view possible, it affects the entire world. All of us do. Because if we're not here, the ripple effect reaches everybody. It's amazing the million little small things that how we connect with everyone around us, and that connects with other people, and that connects with other people, and all of a sudden we're reaching the entire planet. So know that you're important. Know that you are important, and foster your gifts and contribute those gifts in an honest and honorable way. You'll be doing your part to bring out the best in yourself and to help humanity move forward and to not only survive but thrive. And if you doubt your importance, reflect on how those around you, reflect on how their lives would be different. And if you feel disconnected from others, find, again, that social environment. Maybe you're just in the wrong place. Find that environment that allows you to be intricately and strongly, naturally connected with others. And then you'll see just how impactful you can, it's just humbling, truly, at how much you can impact those around you in positive ways, and how that ripples throughout time and throughout space, of how those vibrations impact others, and that impacts others, and that impacts others, and it just continues to compound. So foster your gifts, and keep this in mind about other people, that they have gifts. And even if you don't necessarily appreciate those gifts, appreciate that person for being able, and especially if they're willing, for being willing to contribute what they have. Infinite love to you, my friend. Namaste.